Let's unbox this iPhone 12. iPhone 12 technical specifications, blue color. 128 gigabytes capacity, size and weight, with 2.82 inches, 71.5 millimeter height, 5.78 inches, 146.7 millimeter, depth 0.29 inches, 7.4 millimeter, weight 5.17 ounces, 164 grams. Display: Super Retina XDR display, 6-inch diagonal all-screen OLED display, 2532 by 1170 pixel resolution at 460 ppi, HDR display, True Tone, Wide Color P3, Haptic Touch, 2,000,000.1 contrast ratio typical, 625 nits max brightness, typically 1200 nits max brightness HDR, fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating, support for display of multiple languages and characters simultaneously. The iPhone 12 display has rounded corners that follow a beautiful curved design, and these corners are within a standard rectangle when measured as a standard rectangular shape. The screen is 6.06 inches diagonally. Actual viewable area is less. Splash water and dust resistant. Rated IP68, maximum depth of 6 meters up to 30 minutes under IEC standard 60,529. iPhone 12 is a ceramic shield front, glass back, and aluminum design. Chip: A14 Bionic chip, next generation neural engine. Camera: dual 12MP camera system, ultra-wide and wide cameras. Ultra-wide 2.4 aperture and 120 degrees field of view. Wide 1.6 aperture, 2 times optical zoom out, digital zoom up to 5 times. Portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control. Portrait lighting with 6 effect, natural studio contour, stage mono, high key mono. Optical image stabilization wide, 5 elements lens ultra wide, 7 elements lens wide. Brighter True Tone flash with slow sync. Panorama up to 63 MP. Sapphire crystal lens cover, 100% focus, pixel wide, night mode, ultra wide, deep position, ultra wide, smart HDR3, wide color capture for photos and live photos, lens correction ultra wide, advanced red eye correction, auto image stabilization, burst mode, photo geotagging, image formats captured, video recording, HDR video recording with Dolby Vision up to 30 FPS, 4K video recording at 24 to 60 FPS, 1080p HD video recording at 25 FPS to 60 FPS, 720p HD video recording at 30 FPS, optical image stabilization for video, 2 times optical zoom out, digital zoom up to 3 times, audio zoom, brighter True Tone flash, quick take video, slow-mo video support for 1080p at 120 to 240 FPS. Time-lapse video with stabilization, night mode time-lapse, extended dynamic range for video up to 60 FPS. Cinematic video stabilization, 4K, 1080 and 720p. Continuous autofocus video. Take 8MP still photos while recording 4K video. Playback zoom video formats recorded. Stereo recording. True depth camera, 12MP camera, 2.2 aperture. Portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control. Portrait lighting with 6 effects. Natural studio contour. Stage mono, high key mono. Animoji and Memoji. Night mode, Devotion Smart HDR. HDR video recording with Dolby Vision up to 30 FPS. 4K video recording at 24 to 60 FPS. 1080 HD video recording at 25 to 60 FPS. Slow-mo video support for 1080 at 120 FPS. Time-lapse video with stabilization, night mode, time-lapse. Extended dynamic range for video up to 30 FPS, cinematic video stabilization, 4K, 1080 to 720p. Quick tick video, wide color capture for photos and live photos. Lens correction, retina flash, auto stabilization, burst mode. Operating system, iOS 14. iOS is the world's most personal and secure mobile operating system, packed with powerful features and designed to protect your privacy. Power and battery, video playback up to 17 hours, video playback stream up to 11 hours, audio playback up to 65 hours, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, charging via USB to computer system or power adapter, fast charge capable up to 50% charge in 30 minutes with 20W adapter or higher sold separately.